perfect to have to, excuse me, Your Honor.
Oh, he's going to come back in there. I don't care if it takes 5 of y'all to get him. He needs to be back in there. We're about to have a contempt hearing. Mr. Jones, good morning. Mr. Jones, you're here in case 25415CF. You're accused of 1 count of battery and 1 count of battery by strangulation. I've read the complaint. There is probable cause for both charges. I think you're entitled to a bond. You've had a couple of recent charges within the last year or so, but they've been dismissed. Or I think one was reduced to a misdemeanor and sentenced to time served in Calhoun County. So, Mr. Jones, you're entitled to a bond as far as I can tell. Let me listen to the attorneys, and then I'll be glad to set your bond. Mr. McDaniel, anything?
No.
Mr. Mitchell?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Jones, I'm going to set your bond at $7,500 on the felony strangulation charge, $3,500 on the misdemeanor battery. Your total bond today is $11,000 cash or surety. That means you don't have to come up with all that money. You can go through a bondsman, Mr. Jones, and you've got a condition, no contact with the alleged victim at all. Mr. Jones, you'll get the phone in just a few minutes, sir.
Who is the victim?
Say, who is that?
Who is it?
Okay, let me look it up. While I'm looking it up, you'll get to use the phone in a few minutes, sir, to try to post the bond. And I'm going to look it up and answer your question. The person that's the alleged victim in this case. I remember it was a female, but I don't remember the name and I didn't write it down. So let's see.
We lose him? It's his girlfriend, not he.
Mr. Jones, the person that's
Judge, I think we lost him.
Lost him.
what'd you do, Don?
He knows it's his girl. He knows it's his girlfriend. I mean,
I just touched the mic. I didn't do anything myself either.
Let's try it again. Let's try to reconnect. We're trying to get Mr. McDaniel out of here.
Come on, you don't want to get him held in
I'm all right
contempt
there.
or anything?
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, just a bit.
I seen her shaking.
All right, Mr. Jones, we lost you there for a second. We had somehow our connection got disconnected. Can you see and hear us okay, Mr. Jones?
Yes, sir.
The person that's accused you of this is a Carrie Quinn Scott. That's the person you can have no contact with. Any other questions?
I ain't been around carrying.
Got a question,
Like,
Mr. Jones?
what?
This supposedly happened in June. June 24th is supposedly when it happened. Any questions?
Hmm.
No.
Well,
Have a
they
good day,
say-
sir.
Man,
Go ahead. If you have a question, I'll try to answer it, Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones, any questions?
Fuck that, y'all corrupt.
Come back up here, Mr. Jones. Let's get him back in there, Corporal.
Fuck that, fuck her. Corrupt ass motherfucking county man, fuck y'all. Got this big ass bullshit ass shit going on.
We're fit to have to, excuse me, Your Honor.
Oh, he's going to come back in there. I don't care if it takes 5 of y'all to get him. He needs to be back in there. We're about to have a contempt hearing.
They're gonna, he's a fighter. I mean, they're gonna be fighting.
Oh, he can pick up another charge if that's the case.
Maybe not. We'll come back to Mr. Jones in just a minute. The next case is Tasha Sizemore. Ms. Sizemore, if you're in the room, come on up, please.
Gross in there.
Did Gross leave?
No, he's in there.
Ms. Sizemore, are you in the first appearance room?
Can they hear us?
I wonder if they've lost connection again.
Anybody in the room? I didn't see him muted. Did he walk there muted?
I don't know, but they should be able to hear us even if you muted it.
It would say muted, I guess, yeah, so.
Does it say muted when he mutes it? I don't think so.
Oh,
Yes.
there, yeah, we did lose him.
It stopped. Oh, man, I'm getting text messages from everybody laughing. I want to know if you're going to go out here and go ahead and manhandle him also. We all go.
The gentleman that had 9 o'clock docket didn't come back. All right, I think we're reconnected now. We appear to be back on record. I keep losing the connection there. Corporal Drown, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay, so we've got back to Mr. Jones. So Mr. Jones, I understand people being upset if they're in jail, especially if they feel like that they're there inappropriately. What I can't allow is to use that kind of language in court. So there's 2 things that are going to happen. Number 1, either you're going to apologize and we're going to be through with it, or number 2, we're going to have a contempt hearing. Which do you prefer?
Listen, I apologize, but
Okay.
we all know the situation of my situation. The whole county, now probably the whole United States. And the whole time this female done been behind me, stealing my clothes, taking this and taking that, and doing all this crazy stuff. I done really stop dealing with this female, and now y'all want to come back and charge me with some shit from June. I mean, some stuff from
You
June.
can't use that language, Mr. Jones. Do not use that language again.
I'm sorry.
Mr. Jones,
But
let me tell you when the warrant was applied for. Okay, so let me give you a timeline here. So the complaint alleges that this charge supposedly happened June 24th. And the warrant wasn't issued until September 10th. Now, I believe this is a case, I don't know this, but I believe this is a case where law enforcement was looking for you for some time period to get your version of what happened. And then let's see if this was approved by the state attorney's office or not. Because some of these cases,
I done dealt with the police maybe
I'll
like
give you a
5
chance to
times
ask questions. I'll give you a chance to ask questions. Just let me try to tell you what happened and why this case has been sitting there so long, because that's a concern I would have if I was in your shoes. So in your case, let's see if it was in the state attorney's office or if the law enforcement was just holding it all this time. There it is right there. This was in the state attorney's office for quite some time while they were reviewing whether or not there was sufficient evidence to charge you, and presumably trying to get more information. They eventually decided there was enough evidence. They told law enforcement they signed off on the warrant, and the warrant was signed. So there's a delay there. So I understand you being upset. I don't understand you using the language that you're using. Can't allow that. But I've set you a bond, and you've got the right to post bond, and you're going to use the phone in just a few minutes and try to post the bond. Now, do you have any questions, Mr. Jones?
Well, being my situation where everybody done turned their back on me. So I have no family. And I talked to the police the night that Keandre got the cops called on him. So with all this being said, like something ain't adding up.
You're going to be in court. When's Mr. Jones going to be in court? Do we even get to that?
I don't think so.
Seventh.
It's
We
the
didn't get
7th,
to-
though.
The 7th. You're going to be in court in about 2 weeks, and you'll get a chance to have a lawyer appointed. But Mr. Jones, in the meantime, you've got the right to post a bond. That's all I can do. I'm sending you a bond, okay?
Yeah, but y'all already know my situation. Y'all already got me homeless. I know everything that's going on with my situation.
I promise you, I have nothing to do with you being homeless. I didn't know you were homeless till you just said
Hey,
it. I
listen,
wish you the best, sir.
When Gary get back to these streets, we're gonna.
I didn't hear what you said.
When Gary gets back to these streets.
What did you do, Gary?
Thank you, Chief.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.